Welcome back, you all, to our channel of J5 Grub Hub. This is episode number 4. Today I am cooking Monte Cristos, which is a favorite fried sandwich of mine. Little background about the reason why it's my favorite, because when I was a flight attendant, I used to fly into Iowa, and I used to go to the Bennigan's all the time there, and yeah, it was just a really good sandwich. All the fries and the ooey gooey of the cheese and everything like that. So that's a little background about why I like the sandwich. Here are just the ingredients right here in the video. How to make the sandwich. Just a few items. This probably didn't cost no more than maybe $15 at the most for a quick, easy, simple little sandwich to make. And just, serve with some fries or a salad or something like that. Bunny bread is my favorite. Nice and soft. So here we go. 3 slices of bread. Basically, you just cut all the edges, like those old school Iron Kids bread. You just cut the edges off of the sandwich. Off the sandwich bread, and once you finish cutting all those edges, you just kind of push those to the side, and I just toss mine. Nothing else to do with it. So here's all the bread after it's all cut up. And here I am here. I'm just putting mayo on it, just on some of the slices. And on the other slices, I put strawberry jam. So I'm just rubbing that in. So it gives like a sweetness to the sandwich as well. And it just tastes really, really good. Actually, I love strawberry jelly. I hate grapes, but strawberry is a fave. So here is all the sandwiches. Now I'm putting the cheese on. And then the ham. And you're just going to repeat. Put the strawberry layer on, and you just repeat it again. Just more cheese, more ham, and then you put the the topper on. And I use the cheese as the glue, so you will see me use the cheese last, and then you're gonna see me put that other topper on, that mayo topper. And so once that is done, all you're gonna do basically is just make sure it's all nice and sealed, and this is what it looks like. And now here, you're just going to see me pressing on it. So basically what I did was just press the sandwich down to make it flat. So now I just have a skillet griddle, and I am putting the unsalted butter on it, all around it. Just so it doesn't stick as bad. Here are 2 eggs that I use, just a little bit of splash of milk, and I'm just mixing that together, or beating it, I guess you could say that. Here's the sandwich again. Yummy, right? I'm just going to dip it in the egg wash batter. Get all the sides. Give that baby a bath really good, so it can get to cooking on that griddle, y'all, and that butter. Bread and butter. Nice combination. And you got the strawberry jelly. So we're just going to put those on. And when your griddle's hot because it starts smoking or anything like that. So here I am just flipping it. You just want them brown, toasted on the sides. All around it, on the edges, on both sides. Here we go. Gotta flip. Bam. Look at that. Nice and golden brown, y'all. So we're just flipping all the sandwiches. Making sure that they're all nice and brown, as I said before. You see, that one's kind of sticking a little bit. I guess I probably could use a little bit more butter, but it's okay, though. It's not going to matter in the end, because we're going to fry them up. Here we go. So here is the Fry Daddy, y'all. This is my favorite fryer. We're just sitting the fries in it in the basket, or Ida. Shout out to them. I love the French fries, the extra crispy. They are so delicious. Only take like 5 minutes to fry those babies up. So here's the sandwiches. So after I browned them up on each side, I just cut them in half. I didn't want to fry an entire whole sandwich, so I just cut them in half in triangles. And this is the pancake mix. You just follow the directions on the box of how you want your pancake mix, and you're just gonna cut the sandwich up. You're just gonna put it inside like so, and so we put it in the basket, and then we're just gonna drop that down in there. So you can either use like the Fry Daddy or whatever fryer that you have, or you could just use a skillet. Fill it up with some oil, and just fry them like that. Only takes like 3 minutes at the most. So here it is, y'all. This is the finished product. I did forget powdered sugar. Y'all, put powdered sugar on it. It tastes really, really good to put it just like a little dusting on top of your sandwiches. And you dip it in that raspberry jam preserves. That's the ketchup all over the fries. Yummy, right? I don't like my ketchup on the side. Just drizzle it all over. My husband might put mustard on his. Kind of weird, right? But yeah, this is the Monte Cristo. Just a nice, fun sandwich. Right now, I'm just going to go ahead and cut this baby in half real quick, just to kind of give you a look of the inside. I would say next time when I do make this that I am going to add extra meat and extra cheese to make it a little bit thicker. So this is the first time me making it, but this is just the basics of it. So yeah, you can do it however you want. You could probably do it with turkey meat too. So, but this is a sandwich. My kids loved it, and they are very picky eaters. Okay. Peanut butter jelly and cereal is what they eat, but they ate all of this. So this is the ended product, y'all. I hope you really like it. These are just some pictures of everything, and yeah, just hope you like it. Make sure you all like and subscribe to our channel. I'll try to upload more videos as the time comes. We hope everybody is staying safe out there. Make sure you're wearing your mask and your gloves, washing those hands, and practicing safe social distancing. This is a fun little meal that you can do during quarantine with your family as well, or if you just want something different to make during the week. We all get tired of spaghetti and meatloaf and tacos, so this is just a little twist on the sandwich. So hope y'all enjoy the video. Don't forget to hit that like button. See ya.